everyone, it's Amanda from Crystal Coast Originals. I'm so excited because today I finally get to use some Amsterdam Lamp Black. This stuff has been out of stock for like the past couple of weeks, so I'm so happy to finally have it in my possession. I've been getting a lot of questions about how I mix my paints, what I use, and the one that I'm going to do today, plus I think the last 4 or 5 videos I've done, are the Shelly Art Style Bloom techniques. And Shelly offers a course that you can take that explains all of the products she uses, how she mixes them, and I highly recommend taking that course. I pay the money, I've taken it. You also get to be a member of a private Facebook group, which in and of itself alone is worth it. The Facebook group, I check it every day. It's very inspiring, it's very informative, it's very supportive. So if you're interested in taking the course, I have an affiliate code that can save you 15% off. The code is Shelly, and it's SHELEE Art 15 Amanda. And I'll have the code written in the description box, so you don't have to remember it. But I will probably within the next week or two explain more about the products that I use. Some of the products are different than what Shelly uses, mainly because she's in Australia, I'm in the US, so we don't have access to the exact same products. But I really would like everyone to take the course. I think it's a fantastic course. If I hadn't have taken it, I wouldn't have known what to use in the US. So yeah, that being said, again, if you want to save the 15% off, just check out my affiliate code in the description and we will go ahead and get started. Here's my lamp black that I have. This is just a turquoise blue color. And I also have this gold that I added a little bit of black diamond pigment to because the acrylic gold just wasn't doing it for me. It wasn't gold enough, it wasn't bright enough, it didn't pop enough. So I added some of the black diamond. It's called Aztec Gold, I believe is the name of the pigment. Yeah, Aztec Gold, to kind of give it just a little more depth. So this one's going to be very simple. It's just going to be these two colors plus the black, and I think I'm just going to do a normal bloom technique. So I'm going to lay down my pillow paint first. I hope you guys can see this. I had a comment saying that my camera was too far away, so, which I appreciate the comments. So I tried to kind of bring it a little bit closer so that it was a little bit clearer. I'm also filming on my phone, which probably doesn't have the best. Oh God. Wow, that was awesome. I just like threw it at myself. What was I saying? Oh yeah, which probably doesn't have the, it's going to be a little blurry, in other words. It doesn't have the best reception. Would that be the correct word? I don't know. I'm technologically challenged, so I kind of rely on my boyfriend to do anything that has to do with technology. So, because I don't know. I don't know if I was born in the 80s, so you'd think that like I kind of grew up with technology, but I really kind of didn't. I don't think we had a computer until I was like maybe 17 in the house. So that's my excuse and I'm sticking to it. All right, let me clean up this area where I just threw the cup at myself. All right, so what I'm gonna do, instead of just like layering it in a puddle in the middle, I kind of want to do it in kind of blobs in random spots just to see, you know, what that will look like. So I'm gonna kind of just blob it in areas. I'm gonna start with this teal. And then the gold, just kind of blob that around too. I'm going to come back with a little more teal. I mean, you might not go crazy. Who doesn't love gold? All right, maybe a little bit more. Okay, so now I'm gonna lay this black kind of in the middle, and then we're gonna blow and see what happens. Make sure I have enough on there to do the cool lacing effect. All right. So now I'm gonna try to blow it. Let me turn this light off because of the glare. There we go. All right. Woo! Let me put the top back on this paint. This stuff is smelling high today. Have to move this down to the floor. All right. All right. I'm gonna rest for a second so I don't pass out because I'm trying to blow too much. All right. Oh, that's pretty. All right, I'm just gonna let that settle for a little bit and then we're gonna tilt it. These are so pretty right there. Oh, I love that. This is really cool right here too, I think. All right. So I'm gonna kind of start tilting it. Move this camera a little bit. Kind of just around in a circle. I really want to keep this, so I'm gonna kind of try to stretch that maybe last. think I'm going to go from one corner to the next. Each time bringing it back into the middle. Whoop, I'm going to lose that. Oh, that gold is so pretty. I'm so glad I added the pigment, the powder pigments to it, because that just really made it pop. All right, let's see. We're gonna go, I think, tilt this way first. It doesn't want to move. Here we go. And back. It's kind of cool. It sort of looks like an abstract view of the earth, I think. Very cool. All right, we got this one last corner. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but the gold is shining so pretty. Very pretty. And again, I don't want to lose a lot of this right here, so I'm just gonna do it till it gets to the edge, and then we're gonna go right back. Very cool. Make sure I get the edges. Let's see, I'm trying to decide if I want to mess with the composition a little bit and see what I can do. I'm really liking this, well, let me not point, because last time I point I got paint everywhere. So I'm really liking this area. I do like this as well. So I kind of want to keep those two areas. This is very interesting too, so I'm not sure. I might just leave that like it is. Maybe tilt it a little bit more this way. Yeah, very cool. I think we're gonna call that one done. I keep thinking about it. I'm like, should I tilt it more? Should I not? It's always like the $10,000 question. Should you tilt or not? So I think that's good. I think we're gonna leave it right there for now. Awesome. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Again, if you would like to use my affiliation code for the Shelly Art course, it will be in the description. And I will see you guys on the next one.